Okay, this is today's. This will be on your test. I think this should be easy, but I believe on your test it's an easy one. I'm not sure, but this is a test question. Okay, so right on there, test question. Okay, Diane is making and selling friendship bracelet. She paid. This is what she paid. That's her cost. $6 for the elastic and $1 per. Okay, once they have the word per, you don't use coordinate planes anymore. You don't need that. That's not needed. Just write out the equation. Bracelets. Let's put X for the beads. $1 per bracelet for the beads. She plans to sell. She's gonna sell and make money, so that's an income. For each means times, bracelets for $2. So times X, so 2 times X, that's what she plans to sell for. Write an equation to represent her cost. Here's the cost. Here's the cost right there. So an equation for cost. Y is cost. For the elastic, so 6 plus 1x. X represents the number of bracelets. For the beads, she plans to sell. Write an equation that represents her income. So we'll write Y is the cost here, slash also income in dollar amount. So here when you're graphing it, you just, because both cost and income, just put cost and income in dollar. Cost or income. So basically, you know what? We'll just change this to money. The book has it as money in dollar amount, so we don't have to write so much. It's whatever it costs, how much you make in money. And X is the number of bracelets. All right, write a linear equation to represent her income. Income is what she's selling it for. So she's selling it for 2x. That equals to her income. Why don't we just write this back? Slash income in dollar amount. So money, or I'd be happy if you just put dollar, the symbol. Okay, graph each equation and label income and cost line for problem 1. Oh, income. Label the line income and cost. Okay, let's do the cost. Y-intercept is 6. You go up 1 over 1. So y-intercept is 0, 6. So we're going to go these by 1. These are small numbers. I think on a test I gave you small numbers. Not sure. But you have to be able to do both. Okay, that's too much. I'm going to do one. I'm going to do every other one. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, then 20. Same thing. This is starting at 6, and this starting at 0, 0. So we can number this sure by 1. All right. Start at 0, 0 right there. And then that's called a y-intercept. Go up 1 over right 1. That's up 1 over 1. All the way. That is the cost. The other one is the income. You start at 0, 0. That's a plus 0, right? And then you go up 2 over 1. This is called the rate of change, or the y and the slope, 2 over 1. Oops. 2 over 1. Not feeling too good, guys. Alrighty. Oh, we see where they cross, right? Oops. Noticed? I noticed it was in a straight line. I knew it was wrong. When you're making dots, sometimes you don't notice. But then you go to make a line, it's not straight. You have to go, oh, I did something wrong. This is what you're selling it for, so this is the income line. What does the point of intersection represent? As to what is the coordinate for the solution to this graph. Solution is where they meet. The coordinate is 6 and 12. Coordinate is 6 and 12. What does this point of intersect represent in the problem situation? 6 and 12 means that it cost $12 to make 6 bracelets. See, 6 is the bracelet, 12 is the dollar bracelets, but it also means that if you sell 6 bracelet. You will make $12 because it cost $12 and make $12. Your profit is 0. That's what it means, your profit, what you take home. Okay, that 12 and 6 and 12 means your profit. The whole thing here explain that your profit is 0. Is the break even. You broke even. Explain the graph before the intersection and after the intersection as it relates to the problem situation. Okay, before (6) and 12, your income is less because it's lower, means it's less. Before it, your income is lower. See how before the income is lower than the cost. Which means the income is lower than the cost, which means that you make less than what you buy it for. You are making less than well, let's just put it this way, which means that you are losing money. This means that you are losing money because you're making less than what it cost. The cost is more. See, more is on top. Okay. What happened after? After (6 and 12), the income line is higher than the cost. Is higher than the cost. Okay, so because it's higher, it means it's making more. Because it's higher, this means you are making more than what it costs to make. Bracelets. Finally making profit. You are making what we call profit. Okay, you're in the positive. What is the y-intercept for the income and the y-intercept for the cost? Okay, income y-intercept is income's y-intercept 0, 6, right? 0, 6 right there. Both spot on the graph, and I wrote it there. Okay, they didn't ask what it means, so good. And the y-intercept for cost is cost. Here's the cost of 0, 0. Or right here, 0, 0. Right? Oh, I forgot B. What is the rate of change for each linear graph? Explain its meaning, okay? Income's rate of change is, okay, income's rate of change. What you sell it for is 2 over 1. Is 2, which means $2 cost. $2 for each bracelet. That's what it means right here. $2 for each bracelet. Even here, $2 for each bracelet. For one bracelet, which means $2 for one bracelet. Cost, rate of change, is cost. Go back to cost. Here's the rate of change. 1 over 1. Which means it cost $1 for one bracelet. $1 per bracelet. You can write it that way too. Okay, and that's how you do that one. I'm going to do these two and then I'll save it, then post it, and then do the other ones, because if I do all of it in one shot, it takes too long to upload it and put it in. Graph the following system, state dissolution. This is y by itself equals 2x, 2x. 2 is the rate of change because of x. So you're going 2 over 1. Where do we start at? Well, you start out at 0. This is going to be on your test too, I think. You know that this is 0. Which is, that one is just like this one here, right? B. Okay, start out at 0. That's the y-intercept. Go up 2 over 1. Go down 2 over 1. Then y is 4. Y is 4 right here. Doesn't make sense. Now, when you do this, I remember when I was young, I didn't know if it's a horizontal or and then I would try vertical line. I go, oh no, I can't graph the y line again. That's wrong. So it has to be a horizontal line. Okay? So, what's the solution? This is called one solution, and that solution is at 2, 4. This is called one solution. And that solution is at 2, 4. Okay? This one here, 3. That's the y-intercept. Down 2. Right 5, right? Down 2, right 5. Up and over. And then the other one is x equals to -5. Here's the x. -5 is right there. That's that graph. I need to assign AA.2, 8th grade, for this type of stuff. If you're having trouble, go to AA.2, 8th grade. And this is called also one solution because they have an intersection. One solution. And that solution, that answer, one solution means one answer. And that answer, it meets at -5, 5. Okay, I'll post this and then I'll show the next video.